The sunset on the Meghna River is a fresh scene that will make anyone happy. The view of Meghna River and the sun seems like both they're playing with each other. Here you see the sun, here you can see the sun hiding its face in pride on the Meghna River. Captured the frame at sunset in 2023, also during a boat trawler trip in the middle of the river. Now see and enjoy the beauty of nature. Really amazing scene to enjoy your eyes. God-gifted scene, how charming. Pure fresh air was relaxed us. In the middle of Meghna River when you see sunset. Give you much pleasure and refresh your mind.